5 Bisaya Cebuano morning phrases that you should know. The first one, wake up. Pagmata na. Pagmata na. Pagmata na. Wake up. Number 2, what's your plan for today? Unsay imong plano karon? Unsay imong plano karon? What's your plan for today? Unsay imong plano karon? Are you ready? Andam na ba ka? Andam na ba ka? Are you ready? Andam na ba ka? You can also say, andam na ka? Andam na ka? Next one. Hurry up. We're going to be late. Dali na. Malate na ta. Dali na. Malate na ta. Hurry up. We're going to be late. The last one. I'm getting ready. Mag-andam na ko. Mag-andam na ko. I'm getting ready. Mag-andam na ko. Mag-andam na ko. I'm getting ready. Let's dive deeper into these phrases with our short and quick lesson course at home. So head over to my website and go to course page and click short and quick lesson course. Go to at home. Mga higala, my website now offers an online course quiz for those who prefer not to use Quizlet. This is a great alternative to test your Cebuano skills. This is a new feature and I'll be rolling out the quiz step in the coming days.